Robbie, I have to take time with the Robbie. Take time with the bad one, Robbie.
No, may I take time. What do you mean by Miss Ellis not supposed to this and now Miss Ellis is the one that is making sure you guys are okay and Sean is sickly. So what do you mean? You need to apologize. And who you telling about something, mother? You need to apologize and behave yourself, Karen. You have too much talk.
Look here. Me born at Kingston. I put more me born at.
It doesn't matter where you're born, and that's why people don't respect you because they don't respect people. If you show respect, you get back respect.
People to know say. Me I wait on the something, the food to cook fish on.
No, but she
never
say
eat it. You never eat it.
But she say you couldn't go buy it, Karen.
But I wait on Sean to buy the food.
Can't have a food. And Sean is a big hand for food.
And me cook the food and give me to eat. Understand? Me not gonna want the food to eat. Me not gonna want it.
So you cook something you don't want to eat.
How you not gonna eat it?
That means that Sean's supposed to come from work and get the food before him even come from work. You're supposed to prepare the food before him even come from work. That's what we're saying. It's not that we're saying you're not going to be tired or anything. We are saying since Sean got to work and you're always home, you're supposed to prepare the food before him come from work so him can get it. So as him reach through the door, if food prepare, you say, babe, see food there. That's all we're saying. You're not listening. And you feel like you know it all. You need to listen. That's all we're saying. Because he's tired, and if you know he's sickly, then all you need to do is prepare the food so him not get extra sick and dead by you. Suppose one day him come home and he hungry. Listen to what I'm saying. Suppose one day him hungry and he come from work just to see in time to get local food. And he not prepare him because sit down one next half hour. That's all Miss Ellis is saying, and you're being disrespectful.
And she disrespect me.
No, nobody did not disrespect you. It's
no,
you.
Karen, you're very disrespectful.
You're very disrespectful. You need to stop disrespect people. Miss Ellis put you out tomorrow now. Which way you go? Where if Miss Ellis come and put you out, where do you go? Where are you going to go? Oh, upper auntie you go? Where you go? You need to stop it. Sean is a sickly man and he work hard. And stop take disadvantage of the man. Just because you know himself and love you, you need to stop that. You need to listen, Karen.
Karen. So since Karen.
You're not going to take it because you don't want nobody tell you the truth.
Rabia, well on the goodie. So Karen, like how your remarks is Sean will go buy the grocery because he might eat the food and you not eat the food. So of course, Sean now say get look at sense and Sean say everybody who they run Sean, who love Sean genuinely supposed to put up them foot and say, alright, since Sean I want the money, Karen has to go look work our own money. Suppose life was that way for you. You see, you're not know for say supposed to go out, go buy the grocery and come cook to the man and get him dinner. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna tell me something wrong, you know.
No, you're not wrong.
You're not wrong.
No, but hold on, you know, let me tell you something. You see, I have like the situation have an next resort. How about phone that? The situation have a next resort. I have let it doesn't matter to Karen if Sean eat, sleep, drink, or walk. She just want to know, say, she program Saturday night, Saturday day, when he get paid. She not business whether or not he eat, drink, or sleep.
She's nice.
Because she can't get anything. It's like a dog. You know, she just put Sean one side. You know that little style there? Yeah. And then a joking thing, it don't look good because we the people are help out with everything with Sean and Miss Ellis and Shami, right? And we say, alright, we're gonna buy grocery for them. We're not gonna want to buy none because she's going to partake of the grocery. We will buy for Sean. Say me the all day at Jamaica now. Me find Sean every day and carrying a restaurant and make him eat. And she not get none, I swear to God.
Karen don't care because she can't
Sean not gonna want that. You feel me? Because we only tolerate Karen because of Sean.
Sean, come sit down and say people might talk to you. Sit down and rest because Sean. Rest your foot. Come
Sean is sickly and tired. He's tired.
Sean, come rest your foot. You're tired. Come rest your foot.
Yeah, man. Rest.
And no matter how you may feel, you know, I flex. Mentally, alright. And when you hear the conversation, when you call her, you know, make sure say ants no come for you and Ray, this and that. Those things are draining too. Sean kind of slow, but him have feelings too. You understand me? Him have feelings. In the back of him head, him say Karen always go with ants. Yeah? And it a drain him too. While with other health things too. You get me? I say, and she knows what she's doing. I want me to tell Flex. That a drain Sean to in a mentally to you know. You see me? I say. And then now she want lick him to like him little picnic because she don't tell him say as she take him up from him a baby. You get me? I say. So them little things that they pass Sean drain too.
You must about that?
Here are. You hear her? I dying for Miss Ellis put her out.
Man, your mouth, yeah? And me growing.
I dying. You did birth him? You did birth him? I go and call a police officer, make him come here and lock you up. Watch.
I Flex call Sean to the front, make him sit down right there and talk to him, yeah?
Sean! Sean, come sit down and rest your foot.
Me tell you, arrest
All in her head, she
Just
feel
sit down,
like
the people them attack here. See people them attack here.
Good evening.
it's just that Sean feel as though him don't have any control over she and ants. That's why him not really say nothing. Or him really feel like him can't do nothing about it. So him just feel like him have to agree with whatever she do. But him don't have to agree with her.
Come on, Sean love Karen, and that's the thing one understand. Love Karen.
Exactly, that's what me I try to say. Sean love Karen, so she knows that, so she play upon that too. You get me? I say, Sean, where you want to go this weekend? I can't make you go anywhere. I'm going to send Flex the money. I'm going where you want to go, but I'm not allowing Karen to go. Or you want the money? I'm going to make Flex carry go eat the biggest meal this weekend.
Must know. You know, I don't know if anybody knows Sendance Bay where them teach people to drive.
And they say you want to go?
Yeah.
Of course, Sean. Remember say you buy a car key already, you know, and a car to buy.
You know say I best episode this. Me say Sean, I love you. Me say
All right,
Sean, you say you want to learn how to drive?
Eh?
I learn you want to learn how to drive.
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right then, so that we're gonna deal with Flex. Flex, you have to go teach him.
Yeah, man, I teach you, man.
Boy, Sean, make me dear, me not tell a lie. Sean, no busy about the food, Sean. I'm driving while learn off the drive.
Nothing wrong with the food. Nothing wrong with the food. Yeah, me get the food.
She was saying if you want to go to a nice like, restaurant to eat or something.
Yes, but I'm only bringing you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have flex, and you are going to go up on the road when you don't have work.
So,
okay.
I want
Or what? I have flex? Ask that the man.
I want to go to a club. I enjoy
you want to go to a club?
Yeah.
you want to go to a club?
She not say she not me can't sex her again.
Yeah, so you have to go find where you have to go find. So you have to go head out.
Wait, this something name.
But Sean, remember she have a preaching Monday or you have to go club over that weekend.
Eh?
Yeah,
or you have to go club over that weekend and you say you have a preach Monday.
She have the ferret inside her.
Oh, so that means that she can't do nothing.
No, Anthony cut.
They want me.
The doctor they want her today.
Make sure you want ants too. Make sure you want ants like how you want Karen. Make sure you want ants.
Yeah, make sure she want him.
Make sure you want ants. Okay.
But you see the first mean, now you talk to Karen face CV too. Karen look like she a chain.
Alright, see there? Husband talk. That's why I have to rate Sean. Cause Sean know the thing. See there? Now have no behavior.
Cause what day I'm asking, I say, babes, you hungry? Where you call my phone? But where you call my phone? Go suck up
you
my
see
mother.
there? I must see you then your ants, Sean. You don't think so?
But Rabia, the attitude them always to share portrait towards Sean. Me not to show them something that when she run and chef a quat.
Exactly. So that's why me I tell you, say, Sean need to man up you now and just know say here one now. Me I head out. Sean, you see if Karen come out of house, you go about your business too. You have a next person on the road. And if she lick your car back. And if she lick you, me just call Flex or Sammy and me get 2 police lock her up, I swear. And then she go sleep at jail. If she lick you, don't make no woman lick you. Okay. And she's not your mother. She did not birth you.
But shut up about that she grow me.
No, it's not she grow you. It's not she grow you. Okay. Don't make she hit you. Don't make nobody hit you. Don't make nobody put them hand on you. And if she lick your call, Flex, I'm going to get a police come for her. So I'm going to see if she bad. Okay. Yeah.
Karen, any live to backside?